Today, let's understand the difference between reference versus duplicate queries. Imagine you have a recipe. Creating a reference query is like reusing the same recipe but adding a new garnish. So, any change in the original recipe affects all references. A duplicate query, on the other hand, is like photocopying the recipe. Changes to the original no longer matter, and we can modify the copy independently. Reference is lightweight and efficient for shared transformations. Duplicate is useful when you need a standalone version of separate adjustments. Let's meet in our next lecture.